Welcome to our video on BLAST, a powerful tool in bioinformatics.
Have you ever wondered how scientists compare DNA or protein sequences to uncover similarities? BLAST makes this process simple, fast, and efficient. BLAST is an algorithm designed to compare biological sequences, such as DNA, RNA, or proteins. By identifying regions of similarity, it helps researchers discover evolutionary relationships, gene functions, and much more. BLAST is accessible through the National Center for Biotechnology Information, or NCBI. It's available for free and offers multiple tools for different sequence types, including BLASTn for nucleotide sequences and BLASTp for proteins. The core idea of BLAST is simple. It finds local alignments, short, highly similar regions between two sequences. This makes it incredibly efficient, even when dealing with large databases. Step-by-step process on how BLAST works with graphics. Step 1. Query submission. First, you input a query sequence, a DNA or protein sequence you want to analyze. Step 2. Database search. BLAST compares your query against a database of known sequences. This might include sequences from humans, plants, microbes, and more. Step 3. Scoring alignments. It uses a scoring system to identify the best matches, taking into account sequence identity, gaps, and mismatches. Step 4. Results output. Finally, it generates a detailed report showing which sequences in the database are most similar to your query. The BLAST output includes an e-value, a measure of statistical significance. Lower e-values indicate a higher likelihood that the match is meaningful. So, what can you do with BLAST? The possibilities are endless. For example, identify unknown genes or proteins, trace evolutionary relationships between organisms, find targets for drug development or genetic engineering.
BLAST is a vital tool for researchers across genetics, medicine, agriculture, and beyond. Its speed, accuracy, and versatility make it an indispensable resource in the world of bioinformatics. BLASTs have application in genome-wide analysis to identify and retrieve protein sequences of a gene family in a specific organism. Ready to dive into the world of sequence analysis? Visit NCBI and try BLAST for yourself.